Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a window air conditioner that's not blowing cold air and explain the common reasons why it happens. First, check your thermostat settings. Make sure the AC is set to cool and the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. Sometimes it's just a simple setting issue. Next, look at the air filter. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow and prevents cold air from circulating properly. Remove the filter, wash it if it's reusable, or replace it if it's disposable. If that doesn't solve it, inspect the coils. The evaporator coils inside and the condenser coils in the back of the unit can collect dust and ice. If you see frost buildup, turn the unit off and let it thaw completely before restarting. For dirty coils, gently clean them with a soft brush or coil cleaner. Also check the power supply and circuit breaker. A weak or interrupted power source can stop the compressor from running, which is what actually cools the air. Finally, make sure the unit is the right size for your room. An undersized AC won't cool effectively, no matter how well it's working. If you've tried all these steps and it's still not cooling, the problem could be low refrigerant or a failed compressor, which usually requires a professional to repair. And that's how you troubleshoot and fix a window AC that's not blowing cold air. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.